Good morning. It is May the 15th. This is a Wednesday. I'm Pat McClatchy with the Ag Market Network morning update. And as we come in this morning, we are looking at agricultural markets up from overnight. We have been higher in cotton than we are right now. But we're still up. As far as the news goes, it just seems to be more optimism, or let's just say less pessimism than we had seen about a trade situation, a trade agreement. There appears to be nothing in the direct future of the next couple of weeks, but there is some optimism that we'll get this worked out. Now, I think a large part of it also has to do with we just overdid it. We've just gotten these markets down to where we beat them so much into the ground that people just woke up and realized this is crazy. And so we're starting to see these markets the last few days recover. Will they sustain themselves? Well, it's kind of doubtful you're going to get a substantial move in any ag market other than a bounce, maybe a good bounce, until we get something more substantial with regard to a trade agreement. And that's just it. How much of a rally that might mean, we'll discuss that tomorrow in our morning and our weekly Ag Market Network weekly market report, so you can tune in for that. We'll discuss it, but let's look at where we are. We've got the global stock markets. Asia's up, Europe is down, the U.S. is down, a small amount. But the July cotton market is up 2 at 66.77. Maybe 20 minutes ago we were up 40. So that market's dipping some here right now. The low is 66.48, the high is 67.27. December cotton up 25 at 67.24. The high is 67.55, the low is 66.82. July soybeans up 12 at 8.43 and 3/4, a high of 8.45, a low of 8.27. November soybeans up 11 and 3/4 at 8.68 and 3/4. A high of 8.70 and 1/4, a low of 8.52. Corn also strong, up 8 at 3.76 and 3/4, a high of 3.77 and 1/4, a low of 3.68. December corn is up 5 and 3/4 at 4.05 and 1/4. July wheat up 6 1/2 at 4.55 and 1/4, a high of 4.55 and 3/4, a low of 4.48 and 1/4. I think we are at this stage seeing maybe some breaks in the weather that are helping some on that. And also just a very oversold market. Remember, you've got speculators that have gotten the big speculators have gotten heavily short agriculture. And as they start covering those shorts or buying back those short positions, it supports the market and moves it up. Some days one of these markets might seem to be the hot one. The next day it might be another one. But at the moment, it's corn, soybeans and corn, and cotton is sort of taking the back of the pack. But that might change tomorrow. All right, other things, we've got crude oil up down 57 cents, down 57 in June crude at 61.21, dollar up 12, gold up 5, silver up 1, and the stock market, Dow Jones index right now would be trading down 99 on the day. As far as the calendar goes, business inventories at 7:30, retail sales at 7:30. Then we've got capacity utilization and industrial production at 8:15, and EIA energy stocks at 9:30. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.